going back to the code here, let's learn how to change the status. Have you ever heard of 404 not found when you access a page that doesn't exist? So that's the status code for HTTP. So if you want to set the status quo, we can do so before the send. You can say res.status, for example, 404, right? Not found. You can do that. Let's actually make a different response. I want to make a not found page. Let's do that. So we're going to go outside this get. I'm going to say app.get. And I'm going to say / not found. And I'm going to say function rec res. It's always the same pattern, okay? One argument for the endpoint path and the second for the handler function. And then let's res.send a page that's HTML, body. I'm going to just say not found in the body there. And what I'm going to do here before that is say res.status 404. That means when I send this request, I want to change the status code for HTTP to be 404, which usually means not found. Okay, the normal status code when we did the hello world is 200, which means okay, 200 okay. We'll see that in the browser. So let's go here and look at the browser, refresh. Now you can see hello world, see 200 okay here, status. That's what I mean with status, okay? Now if I go to not found here, instead of hello world, you're going to see status 404 because we changed that by saying res.status parentheses 404. So that's a way of manipulating the status. 404 just usually means not found. So if you want to say that something was not found when somebody accesses, okay, somebody's asking for a product information. And then you say, okay, we don't have that information. So we're going to say, send back to the client, hey, we didn't find anything. So we're going to say 404 not found. That's an indicator that the resource was not found. Okay, so let's see the questions. Why not put the header inside the res.send? So the way we usually work with Express is we call on the res and we do the operations, everything that's necessary to manipulate the response before we actually send. Send is like the closing deal, right? You write a response, you do whatever is necessary. It's like writing a letter. Okay, I'm gonna write this and that and that. I'm gonna put some images here. I'm gonna make this happen, and I'm gonna put the stamp and whatever. Once I'm ready to send, put in the mailbox, right? Is when I call send. That's the last operation we have to do. So make sure to do everything before, like setting headers, status code, and everything. Okay?